Yeah, so I've started the recording. Welcome to the championship of board games. Members who win today will win a cash prize of $1,000 rupees, not dollars, $1,000 rupees. Get back your money, whatever you have paid. Okay, so new members, are you excited to cheer up with the team? Did you know what is the requirement? Bhavani, Neha, Madhu, Ramana.
Like I'm unable to get that link, Vajrang. The chat
Chat.
is disabled for me.
Okay, just go for vajrang.org, vajrang.org.
Okay.
Are you opening through laptop? Use laptop.
Okay.
Vajran, can you please tell again? I lately joined. Sorry.
Shravya, um,
Yeah.
so I have posted a link in WhatsApp chat. Sorry,
Okay.
not in WhatsApp chat, in the chat messages in the Teams. Can you see that or not?
No, it is empty. One second. Let me.
Okay, then let me post it in the. Okay, I'll post it in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just posting it for September team. Yeah, just posted it. You can open that in your items or in your. Okay, I'm sharing the screen too. Just a second. Okay, share. Admit. Yeah, can you see the screen? Everyone, can you see the screen or not?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Except August team, just continue. I just don't want to disturb you all. This is cash prize challenge. So see, the requirement is simple. Whatever we type in here, this will be converted to upper text and we will get it. Okay. So the requirement is simple. I just need to have a Excel file. In this Excel file, I need to mention multiple inputs. Input A, B, C. I can give my inputs. So bot need to pick up one item. It need to paste in over here, and it need to copy the text, and it need to paste it back and save it. And it need to complete for all the items. Okay. So this is the challenge for ₹1,000, which the team is trying to do. So let's see. Chetan, can you share your screen? Let's have that commentary.
Yes, yes, Vajra.
Yep. So I'll be checking on multiple things. I'll be checking on business exceptions, system exceptions. How are you handling empty cases? How are you handling the data?
Okay.
And how good are you using
Yeah.
exception handling, or if the application, if there is any exception, is it closing and opening again? I'll see everything.
Okay, okay. Yeah, is my screen visible?
Yes, it is, buddy. It is visible. Go ahead.
So as of now, I'm just creating the raw
So show me the input.
input is here.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good to go. Okay, you're reading the range. So I'll be also seeing your best practices that you're using.
Okay.
Okay. Any bets on who can complete? So I want new members to bet who can complete the task faster. Pratyusha, how are you doing? Please share your screen.
Yes, well, sir.
Please share your screen.
Yes, yes. Can you see? Can you see Valshan?
Yes, I can. Go ahead.
Yeah, I've just opened the URL
Mm-hmm.
and indicated the file,
Mm-hmm.
reading the data.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so I'm just typing here the current row,
Okay.
and we are only edit.
Okay.
Like I just
One thing that I'm saying is you are giving hard-coded values. For example, the C input that you're trying to give, that's a hard-coded value. So
this
if
one.
not hit that one, on the top, Excel file path, Excel file path. Yeah, that one.
Oh, this.
Yeah. Now, if I change the path to somewhere else, then how will you
Mhm.
be able to manage? Will you be able to deploy this bot?
Oh, you want me to put it in the asset?
I just want you to use the best practices. Do whatever
Okay,
you
okay,
want.
okay, okay, okay.
Satish, let's start screen share. So what are you doing, buddy? You directly completed item moving items to orchestrator queue.
Yes.
Okay, show me the queues. Sounds good. Show me the items. Did you use add bulk item or
Add bulk. I use add bulk item.
okay? What if I want to use reference? I cannot find the reference using add bulk items, right? You should. Did you think about it?
Details.
Yeah.
What?
See, there is no reference when you use add bulk items. See, this is the problem with add bulk items. You will not be able to add references using add bulk items for each item. Second thing is, if there is unique item or unique item check mark in while creating a queue, add bulk items will not work. It will throw error. Okay, have these 2 points in mind.
Can I continue with the add bulk item?
Yeah, for now you just continue. New members, do you have any queries? Do you have any idea on how they are doing? Like, what is your idea to solve this problem? Bhavani?
Yes, Vajrang.
Tell me, if this is a problem that's given to you, then what will you do?
Uh, I've taken basic. I'll share my screen.
Yeah, go ahead. Oh, you are also doing along with them. So anyone who completes it are eligible for the cash prize. Only one cash prize, by the way.
I'm not I'm not using any cues. I'm just using some basic activities, Vajrang.
Go ahead, go ahead. It will be glad. I will be glad to see.
Uh, I've taken an Excel application scope and read range, and in that provided a variable
Great.
for the path.
Super. So you're using previous Excel activities, Excel classic activities.
Yes, yes,
Got it.
yes, yes.
Got it. Yeah.
Uh, I've looped it, and in that loop, I've attached browser.
So where did you open a browser first? Did you open a browser?
Uh, no, I didn't open a browser.
Okay.
Okay,
Got
in
it.
laptop.
Got it. Got it. Yeah. Go ahead.
Uh, and in that, I've used type into click activity.
Okay.
Mm. In the type into, I've used some current row dot item of 0.2 string.
Superb.
Uh,
Team, don't go with RE framework now. This is not a time to go with structured format. Even unstructured format also will work. I just need your thinking to be implemented. Okay. Thank you so much, Bhavani. You're doing great. Go ahead. Ramana, did you understand the use case?
No, no,
Okay.
I just joined.
But did you see the input, or did you see the message that I have posted in the group, WhatsApp group? Okay.
Yeah, just.
I will share my screen again. Just see. See, here we are having a website. Okay. So in this website, if I type something and if I move out, I'm getting this output, but this output will be in uppercase. Okay. So my requirement is using automation. I need to read data from Excel or CSV. That's fine. So this is my input. For example, in this input, I have A, B. So I'm writing something like this, right? Bot need to copy the value, take the value, paste it over here, move out. Here we got the upper value, right? It need to copy it and it need to paste. Understood? No, Madhu? It need to complete, Madhu, it need to complete for all the items. It's not only one item, it should complete for all the items. Now, did you understand the use case, buddy?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So if you are given this task, then what can be your thinking, or how will you try to automate this one? You can just go ahead and give it out a try, no problem. What is your idea? Madhu just left. Hey, don't leave the meeting here. I will not scold you or anything. Ramana,
Yeah, yeah.
yes, tell me.
No, as of now, I don't have any thinking. Like I will try and I will let you know.
This is a great answer. You will definitely have. You will go through the job, buddy. Don't worry. That's a great answer. Okay, fine. Neha, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Tell me,
Hello.
how will you do it?
Yes, sir. I'm just thinking. Actually, my UiPath studio is not very well. That's why.
Okay, that's fine. Let's just see. So all these queries must be stopped. The new team or previous team is already working a lot for this. But anyhow, thank you so much. Sai Kumar, how are you doing? Sai Kumar, can you please unmute? Where is Sai Kumar? Sai Kumar also left. Guys, don't leave the meeting. Just unmute and talk. Shravya, Shravya,
Sorry, Darshan, I was on mute.
yeah.
Yeah, I thought the same.
Mm-hmm.
Type into activity and getting it from an Excel,
Uh-huh.
and in the same type into activity, I'll just convert it to dot to string,
Okay.
dot to upper. Sorry, in the output.
But if you are
Uh,
using dot to upper, why do you need a website for it? See, the main agenda is not to use dot to uppers and all, right? We need to use the website.
okay, okay.
So if I just use dot to upper, well, your answer is correct. But if I just use dot to upper, then how are you interacting UiPath Studio with other applications? So the main agenda is to interact with UiPath Studio with other applications.
Okay, okay.
So will you take RE framework for this approach, or do you know RE framework or not?
Yeah, I know little basics and
Mm-hmm.
queues also I know.
Mm-hmm.
From that, I'll just add that all the things to the queue
Mm-hmm.
and get transaction item.
Okay.
And after that, can I use it dot upper like after getting the details from the orchestrator?
Why do you
And
need to
then
use dot upper? You just don't require to use it, right? Just a second. You don't require a dot to upper because the website is already giving you, this particular website is already helping you to
Oh,
convert.
okay, okay. It will automatically convert. Okay, okay. Sorry. I
Yeah.
missed that. Okay.
So you just need to copy this value and paste it back to Excel.
Okay.
Okay. Now did you understand why we are going with the website?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got it.
Okay. Thank you. So Smith, okay. So I just want to post a picture in August team. So I posted it and I'm also posting that in my WhatsApp status. Hope everyone can see my WhatsApp status. We have 4 such gift cards available. Can you see the screen share, everyone?
Yes, yes, Vajra.
There are
Yeah.
4 such gift cards available right now to be paid for you all. దొరికినోడికి దొరికినంత. Do it. Who is about to finish? Anyone who is about to complete? Let's go from the beginning. Chetan, screen share.
Yes, Vajra, I'm just,
Screen share.
yeah, I'm testing it.
Yeah, screen share, screen share.
Yes.
Do a screen share. People are excited. I am excited. Okay. So you are just using a for loop. In that for loop, you are just opening, attaching the browser. Okay.
So,
So are you using a dispatcher and performer separately or not?
no, it's without RE.
Without RE, but you can still change the code, right? Because if you don't move two different files, then how will you use dispatcher and performer? Like that's what I've asked. Dispatcher should upload. Okay, you can see write a single file. In that you can just upload it and you can get transaction item. Even that will work for me. I don't have any problem.
Uh, so it's different sequences I have, right?
Yeah, okay. If you're good, that's fine. I just want the code to be executed. That's it. Okay. Go ahead,
So
complete the.
basically,
Yeah, tell me.
yeah,
You are talking something? Yeah, go ahead.
yeah. So I wrote use browser in for each. So it is basically
Mm.
opening every time a new browser. So I moved uh, for each inside.
Okay, great.
Let me just run it. It's without any try catch or something.
Okay. Did you add the items to orchestrator queue or not?
No, it's without orchestrator queue.
No, I need orchestrator queue. That's what I said, right? We need to have orchestrator queues.
Okay. It's without queues.
Okay.
I'll add it.
Let's just see if it is working or not. Let's just see.
Okay.
Is
Yeah.
it working? By the way,
Yeah,
how's
it's
the website?
testing.
This is the new one that I'm trying to create.
Yeah, it seems good.
Okay. Okay. Nice. You're doing great. Great.
Let me check the output.
Where is the output?
Only is read only. Okay. I need to change the format settings here.
Okay. Let's just run it and see. So how's the Josh? Is it good?
Yes.
Early morning exercise at 6 o'clock for everyone. One, two. What about others? Okay, I'll just call you. Let's just see if Chetan gets this completed. Then I will call others. Okay. Can anyone vote? Unmute and talk and vote for someone. We have 4 members who are in the queue. Everyone who raised their hand are the ones who are participating in this. Pratyusha, Chetan, Satish, Murali, Krishna. And why only 4 members? What about others? Okay, anyhow. 4 members. Who will win? Bhavani, whom do you think will win?
The one who is presenting Vajran.
Okay, fine. Chetan, it did not. Thank you so much, Bhavani. So, Chetan, one thing, it did not write in the end. Second thing, I need empty items between the data. So,
Okay.
okay, I don't want all the items to be sequential. I need empty cells. Like you can delete
Okay.
1 or 2 cells and you can try. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Fine. So
Yes.
Chetan gets 1 vote. Pratyusha, share your screen. Let's see.
No. There are so many errors.
No problem. Share your screen.
I haven't used queues. My orchestrator is not working.
I've asked you to practice a while ago. If you are not practicing, then okay. So what's the error
These
that
days
you're
I'm
getting? What is it?
I'm here. See, one thing is, I'll tell you. Opening the URL, this I didn't change. I will change it later. So I'm just reading the Excel file.
Okay.
Here I'm reading the data.
Okay.
Then here for each row, I actually forgot. Is this correct? Because it is not taking the name. Here, right, it is, now it is taking, see, earlier it was taking something like this, UiPath, Excel, current, row, something. Then one more thing, we need to click outside, right, outside or on converted result. There I'm getting some error
So
on this one.
just a second. Instead of clicking on something
Yeah.
in get, why are you using get text? You need to use type into, right?
This one is typing 2 only.
Uh,
Maybe I just renamed it.
okay, fine. And after typing, you can uncheck it. On the right side, you have properties, right? Check in the properties. Properties. Yeah, scroll down. Click before, delay after, deselect at the end. There is an option called deselect at the end. Check it,
Yeah.
and you can remove this click activity.
Oh,
Okay, you can remove the click activity altogether. Click on
okay.
converted result, you can remove that. So it will deselect at the end, it will show you the result. Save it
Okay.
and try to debug. Debug now. Okay. Ramana, who are you voting to? Pratyusha or Chetan?
Chetan. He'll also vote for Chetan.
No. You should not see, if you are participating in an election, you should not keep your vote to someone else. You should vote for yourself. So Ramana, unmute buddy. It's only morning in the day.
Yeah.
So whom do you think will win?
I thought of Pratisha, but she only said that she will vote for Chetan. So I go with Chetan.
Okay. No. You can vote for me.
Yeah. See, that's the reason I'm telling you should at least vote for yourself. Go back to website once and see if you're getting the value or not. Okay.
Yeah, it is.
Deselecting at the end. And just wait. Don't change it. Let it type in. Okay. Okay, do one thing. It's not entering the value. Just stop it. Stop it once. Okay. In that add current row item, there is a option. There is a drop down right on the right side.
Yeah.
Yeah, click on that and press enter. Hit on enter. Yeah. Now just run the code. Don't debug it. And when you are debugging, you have kept 2x speed. That is the reason it's very slow. Okay. Wait. Let's see. Okay. Now is it good?
Yeah.
So you just need to understand the application first.
Yeah.
Now you are getting it faster, right?
Yes.
So what is it trying to enter? Okay. So the code for Pratyusha is completed, but have you used queues or not?
No.
No. Okay. Let's go with Satish. Okay. So Bhavani and Ramana goes to Chetan. 2 votes. Satish, let's see your code. Neha, whom do you think will win? 4 Amazon offers, 4 Amazon gift vouchers, 250 each. One person can take all. Satish, why there are ones, buddy? Satish, unmute, please. Hello?
But I
Yeah.
have to, I think, build up.
Okay. So what are you trying to do? You took all the items from the orchestrator or not?
Yes, Sultan, I took.
Okay. So you still have 5 more minutes. Name. Okay. You are adding a name. Add one more. Are you adding one more column or not?
Oh, I'm adding only one column.
Okay, if you are using orchestrator queues, then why are you using delay?
Actually, when the website is loading, it's not like what?
It's
It's
not.
not take that value. So that's why I use. Just have to check that.
Okay, fine. So you have added items to orchestrator queue and you are
Yes,
taking
sorry,
the items from orchestrator queue. But why are you opening and keeping it?
1 minute. I have to delete the queues too.
Okay.
Actually, just not like completed was now.
No problem, no problem. We'll see. No rush. You have 2 more minutes to complete. My system is stuck. Pratyusha. Can't help Pratyusha. Everyone have same time and same opportunities. Just go ahead and restart your machine. We cannot do. Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead and restart. Okay. Now Neha, whom do you think will win? Chetan, Satish, or Pratyusha?
My vote is for Chetan.
Chetan. Oh, Chetan got 3 votes.
Yes.
But Chetan did not add it to orchestrator queue. But that's the main target.
Yes.
Excel is being used by other process. Okay. 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 Chetan grabs 3 votes till now. Let's see. Chetan, high expectations on you, buddy.
Yes, Vajrang, doing it. Yeah.
Uppercase. Okay. Nice. Okay. Now, did you understand the mistake, Satish? You need to keep for loop. Then you need to attach the browser and use the for loop. You have used it in reverse. So that is the reason it's taking time to load again. But if you load it once, that is enough. That is the mistake you have done. And every time it's opening a new browser. But let's just see. If at least if we can get the output result, then it can be considered. You can just change it later. Pratyusha made a wildcard exit all of a sudden. So anyone from the new team, September team, who is trying to do the activity? Murli also made an exit or what?
I got the code Vajrang, but I didn't use any empty spaces and queues.
But you are able to complete it.
Yes, yes.
Oh, wait. So wildcard entry all of a sudden from Bhavani. Okay.
I'll share the screen. Could you please check?
Yeah. Just a second. Wait. Let's just see and just make.
Actually, Arjun, that queues are repeating. Can I stop it? Why? Because I run the 2 times.
Okay. Stop it.
I executed code 2 times.
No problem. No problem. Go ahead. But let it continue, na? If it is executing, it should complete and it should stop at some point of time. How many items are there in the queue?
10.
10 will not take
I
much
think
time.
10, 10, 20. 10, 10, 20, I think.
Okay. Let's just wait. No problem. We still have 6 more minutes. Okay, it stopped and you took 2 minutes to complete this activity and show me the output. This is the input. Where is okay? This is the output,
Yes.
but I also need the input. Okay, fine. But you are able to do it.
Ah,
I need both input and output, both next to each other.
input. Okay, okay,
Okay. Like I just need the input and I also need the output.
okay, okay,
Okay. And also add headers on the top, like right cell.
okay,
You add headers on. See, three things you need to make to reduce your time. For loop, and you are using attached browser. Instead of that, use attached browser, and in that, take a for loop.
okay, Vajra.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
Vajra.
Bhavani, wildcard entry all of a sudden. Yes, let's just see your code.
Okay, Achha.
Okay. Why are you having a message box? Okay, you removed it. Okay,
Just time for confirmation, I kept it.
got it. Yeah, just go ahead. Let's just see the result. And you are using right cell with append range. I like the code. I like your code. Go ahead, run it. Let's just see. So 2 minutes and 20 seconds. You can take it by half. It's 1 minute 10 seconds by Satish. Okay, right cell failed.
It's a wrong format.
Did you have the Excel open? Try to close the
Yes.
Excel. Excel, close it and try it again.
Uh,
Okay, try it now. Okay, okay, okay. Open it up. Excellent. Now I want to add wildcards. So if you delete Sahiti or delete Bhavani from the first column, first row, and run this code again, let's just see what will be the output.
okay.
Okay, in the file. So let's see. Okay, it was able to handle no empty items. Okay, fine. For now, I can take it as granted. But can you show me the execution time? How much time is it taking to execute? 7 seconds. Okay. So the standard input now I want is, okay. I will send. Okay, I want 10 rows. Okay,
Okay.
10 rows. But the input should be on various conditions. Like it should have numbers. It should have spaces in between. It should be having. Okay. Do you have WhatsApp access for this machine or not?
Oh, yes, yes.
You have it? Okay, I'm sending the input for everyone. The input should be standard. Excel. I'll just create an input and I will share it to everyone. So that's the way how we test and how we decide the winner. Input. So
Hello,
Yes,
Vajran.
yes, 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 yes.
Yes, Vajran. I have done, but my orchestrator is not connected at the studio, so it is I'm not able to run. But I have done the code part.
Murali, right? Murali,
Yes.
do one thing. I'm just sharing, so you can also show to me using Excel. That's fine. Let's take it up. So September team, I have Bhavani. I have given it. Okay, let me just paste as a text value. It came as
Okay,
a
Vatsha.
image. Let me just paste it as a text. Notepad. I'll just paste it as a text so it will be easy. Control A, Control C. Whatever text I have given, keep it as is in each and every column. Don't change the spaces. Don't change anything. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Murali, share your screen. So the time's up. So Smith, you're there, right? Who will win? So Smith,
Can you see my screen,
yes,
Vajran?
Murali, I can. Sushmit, you are so silent, buddy. Okay, let's just see. Run the code, execute the code, and try. But
No, like my orchestrator is not connected. I have checked multiple times.
what is the error?
Don't
Show me the error.
no no error, but like I have given this
Configurations.
correct path. Given the correct path only, but
Wait,
still
wait.
it is showing us.
Understood. So what you can do, just log out, log out, log out. No, log out to not
Okay.
here, not here. Robot. Just go to robot and log out in the robot. Preferences. Sign out. Yeah, sign out. Yes. Log in again with your
Okay.
items. Okay. Don't give hard coded, like don't set up the remote machine. Don't use the
Okay.
unattended mode. Just use the sign in and then just go ahead and do it. Okay. Just try with that.
Okay then. Yeah.
Okay. Grace period. We are going to close in 5 minutes, 3 minutes. So it's exactly 7:05. We'll close. Who completed it?
Vajran, I
Yes.
did, but I not use a browser outside. This
Uh,
input and output is getting,
okay.
but I not use a browser outside.
Okay.
I will try.
I've sent you the WhatsApp. Sorry, I haven't sent you. I'm sending you the input in WhatsApp, and I'm also sending the input in Excel from Excel in the chat. So use that as an input and show me the result. So you have used orchestrator queues, right?
Yes,
How much time will it come? Show me the screen, Satish. Once share your screen.
it's taking restart.
You haven't used RE framework, right?
I have not used Auri framework.
Okay. Okay. Give me the access once. Request remote control. Show me the screen. Where is it? Okay. Where is for loop? Where are you getting the items? Transaction items. For each item in queue, get transaction item.
Yeah, I use a getQ item.
But why are you using for each again then?
Uh, it is not necessary to use for each.
Why? It's not even needed because here you are getting the item. Get transaction item you are using for each.
GetQ item. So I have to delete that get transaction. Yeah, I use it.
Oh, you use get queue items. Okay. So you can do something like this. Let's keep the browser up and let's have this queue items, and for each queue item we are taking it up, and let's move this for loop, this one. Okay, let's take it inside this one, and let's move this for loop inside. Done. But you should ideally have done get queue items, get transaction item. And are you setting the transaction status or not? Okay, see, this is an error. If you don't set the transaction status, every time you need to kill the process, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that was the that are the mistakes that you are doing. See, I will tell you one thing. When you are using get queue items, okay, this is good. So let's just see. This is item, right? Okay,
Yes.
I'll just make one small change. Get queue items. Okay, this is queue item. Transaction item I will take. I will keep it inside for each loop. Okay, so this is my item. So getting the transaction item here, and here this item, instead of dt transaction item, I'll just change this to item. This
Okay.
is a queue item, so this comes as a new item. This is working, and here we are setting the transaction item. Set transaction status. Okay, and here we are giving back the transaction item. So the loop will work with queues. Item, and this one, let's just give the status as successful, and output value, that's not required. But are you adding it to the Excel?
Yes, I'm adding to it to Excel.
Appending data range, you are doing this one, right? So here you are building an item, and log message you are taking it, right?
Yes.
So maybe we'll just use the log message over here. Let's close it, and here let's just add the output to the text. Output, and then here text. Okay, run the code now. Delete the queue items and add again. Now it will be like you will not have the issue of every time a new item is getting added in place of old items. Did you understand the mistake that you have done?
Yes, yes, I understand.
So instead of get queue items, you should have used, okay, the method that you understood, like you need to loop in, that's correct. But instead of using get queue item, you should have used get transaction item inside the flow. Okay, done. Let's run the code.
And now took that input.
Yeah, just take that input. Remove the first one. That input is the heading, but you can just leave it. Just copy and paste. That's fine. You can remove it later. Okay. Satish is done. Okay. So Murali, what's the status of your code?
Yes, Vajram.
Yeah.
Orchestrator is now connected. No.
Okay. Yeah, this is good, buddy. You can go ahead and try with this. Murali, waiting for your output. So Satish, let's just run it once and see. Okay. Okay. Run the code. You already removed it, right? Why are you removing it again? Exam tension. So do you know what is the issue?
I have to press enter.
You need to clear the items. Just see the output once. Output Excel file. Output Excel. Excel. Okay. And it is not looping in with all the items. Okay, it's looping in, but it's actually printing in everything. Okay, see, this is the problem that happened. In the for loop, we are actually typing in, like adding these items in the for loop, right? This table, you need to append it only once. Where is the output? So here append range, adding data row is fine. So append range should be outside for loop, because every time you should not append it.
Okay.
After completing all the items, you should append it. Where is it? Okay, now if you just see, we are adding the data range. For each loop we are taking, closing the for each loop, but it should be taken up outside. Let's just add outside. Appending range should be outside the, yeah, this is good. Now adding data table, appending range, one shot it will be done. Earlier, every time, every row it is appending all the data table. Second thing is, here in input you should use properties, streamlet type. This will empty the field. You should empty the field. Okay, understood?
Okay.
Can I run this?
Okay. Run file.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
There is a enter. We have to remove that enter.
So
If you use simulate key, enter is not work.
yeah, use send window messages. So that is the difference. Stimulate click, you will not be able to send hotkeys.
Yes.
Okay. Use send window messages. No, this is good. This is good. Don't delete it. Yeah, send window messages. Use send window messages. And uncheck the stimulate type. You should not use both. Yeah. Now let's just go ahead and run it and see. What about others? Chetan, Murali, where are you?
Yeah. So I have completed with that spaces, blank rows.
Queues.
Now I'm queues I am implementing.
Okay, show me the screen.
Let me know once it is visible.
Yeah, visible.
So you want me to run it the previous or
Yeah,
what?
run it and show me the previous ones.
So yeah. So I added your values here,
Okay.
and along with that 2 blank rows.
Okay. So Satish, is it executing or not?
It's executing version. You have to check.
Why there is so much delay for each input?
Yes.
Check with the delay. Perfect. This is good, buddy, but you haven't implemented queues. Fine, just close it.
Yeah.
Murali, what about you?
Yes, Vajra. Can I share my screen? Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, now my orchestra is connected.
Mhm.
Uh, can I run?
Yeah. So you have implemented logs. That's great. Excited to see the execution. Implemented try catch. Super. Okay. Okay. So the issue with your code is you should have taken one item and build a data table and finally have written, you should have written it, because every time you try to write it, it will open Excel. So Excel takes time to complete, and it is
Uh,
taking a new item every time from orchestrator queue. So it will actually take more time. Okay. So all these
okay.
are time delays that's happening, and your code will be slower, but your code will
Okay.
be, yeah, tell me.
I used to add queue item instead of that. I should have used bulk queue item.
No, add queue item is fine, but you can also use bulk queue items. But what I'm telling is, see, every time you get a output, you are typing in the Excel, right?
Yes.
Now, every time you type in the Excel, it will open the Excel, type in the value, close the Excel.
Okay. Right.
So that's actually consuming more time. That is the reason it's slower. But if you have
Okay.
seen Bhavani's as well as um, Satish code, they have taken all the data and they have written it at the end. I think Bhavani
Okay. Okay.
also
Yeah.
written it in
Okay.
the middle, but she did not close it.
Okay. After processing. Okay. Good.
But the code you have written is good because you also have kept try catch. I can understand.
Okay.
There is something missing on the Rishi. Okay, close it.
Yeah.
Satish, is it done?
Yeah, Vajra, but if you use appendage, it's not getting. If you use appendage down,
Uh-huh.
it's not getting output correctly.
Show me the. So it's not printing in the values.
Yes, yes.
Okay, show me. People who stay till the end will have advantages. You already know it. Stay till the end. Okay. See, the problem that might be happening is the values are not getting updated. So here you are having data range, right? Add data row.
Yes.
Okay. Build data table you are having, and give me the access, please. Yeah. So adding data range for each you are taking. So get text we are using. Okay. This one you are using for each loop. So let's just add for each loop on the top. So here we have. Now let's just try to run it. So is it adding items every time or is it adding only once?
It's not adding if you use down.
Okay, let's just see. Type input source name is Not correct. Object reference not set to instance of an object. What is the error? No transaction data. That means that there are no more queue items. Okay, anyhow, solve it by yourself.
Okay.
But thank you so much for waiting till the end. So how, can anyone tell me who are the winners for today? I just need to have a voting. Chetan, who will you vote to? Will you vote to yourself or someone else?
So basically, I haven't looked at the meeting. I was just
Okay.
developing, so
Yeah.
I haven't checked the code.
Okay.
So whoever has implemented the queue and at least few transactions are running,
Okay.
then I can vote that person.
Nice answer. But Chetan, you are winning a cash prize of 250 rupees of Amazon. See your WhatsApp. Congratulations for not
Okay.
quitting and continuing till the end.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so there is a special winner. Please wait. So Satish, you will get a 250 rupees cash voucher from Amazon. So thank you so much for staying till the end. Your name is Satish Bura, right? Satish Bura.
Yes, Satish Burra.
Yes. So add it to your Amazon. If you add it, then I will get a notification that you have added. So if you don't use it, I will call you and ask you why you haven't used it.
Okay.
Murali,
Yes, Vajra.
so you have implemented the code very well, buddy. Like you used try catch, you used for loop, or you used the proper items. So you are the person with cap, right?
Oh,
In WhatsApp.
okay.
Is it right or not?
Yes.
Yes. So you won a gift voucher of 250 rupees. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, Vajra.
Copy. So special winner for Bhavani. Can you unmute Bhavani?
Yes, Vajrang.
So thank you so much for joining in and participating in. Though it's not your task today, you did very well.
Thank you, Vajrang.
So you also will win a gift voucher. Bhavani Munga, right? Naga.
Yes, yes.
So you will also win a gift voucher of 250 rupees from Amazon. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day.
Thank you, Vajrang.
All happies? So,
Yes.
team, will you satisfy with my judgment or not?
Yes, Vajra.
Yes, thank you so much. So keep working. Today is the last day for Team August. Tomorrow, let's get connected once and we'll discuss about the details and how you can proceed further. Okay? Okay, what about new
Thank.
team? How did you feel this today's meeting? Is it good, not good, bad, boring?
It's good, Vajrang. Like it's engaging.
Okay, thank you. What about Neha, Shravya, Srikanth?
Yeah, it's good, Vajrang. Definitely from next time, I will also start participating.
Sure. Neha and Srikanth?
It's good.
Yeah, it's good, but
Okay. So
My
then,
my focus is on price.
sorry, your focus is on prize. Who will win the prize?
Yes.
Who will work will win the prize. Right? Okay.